This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. Location, location, location. Walk directly from your backyard to take a dip in the pool or step out to your gazebo and enjoy the beautiful lake view. Open floor plan for entertaining with friends and family. Home boasts of a front sunroom and a large storage room. Bonus, home comes fully furnished, just bring your suitcase and unpack. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.